Hello everyone, my name is Kitty and I'm here today to share with you an unboxing of a present I received. It is from Gucci and I've already opened the tape on the top of the box, but I am very excited to open it and share it with you. So let's get going. Ooh, as you can see, here is the box I came in. Very discreet. And like I mentioned, I've already kind of opened the tape on the top of it. All right. Not sure if you can see, but there are some cards on the top of the box. A little thank you card, very cute. The receipt. A sample of their new perfume, Gucci Bloom. Smells really good. Okay, and then take the bubble wrap off. Wow, I love it. So beautiful. I'm not sure if you can see inside. Wrapped up like little presents. So let's see, which one should we open first? The little one. So cute. So I'm just gonna slip the ribbon off. There is the little dust bag. Ooh, so cute. Okay, so this is the Ophidia GG mini bag. And it's like necklace style. Oh my god, I love it. And I really wanted this because it's the perfect size to fit like some cards and some cash. Very convenient. You can just wear it right here. It has this really great like streetwear vibe to it. And of course, I'm obsessed with all mini bags, mini pouches, just anything cute and small. Ooh, so cute, I love it. I just feel like with the right like jogger outfit, this could look amazing. I mean, even like this, so cute. Little necklace bag. Anyways, just loved it. It was so unique, so fun. Okay, so we'll just set him aside. But there you have it. Absolutely adorable. And let's get into the other box. And before we open that, you can see they've also sent me some really beautiful gift bags. Gorgeous, just love them. I love getting all the goodies and packaging. It's so beautiful. I don't know what I'll do with them, but you know, something to noodle on. Love having it. Okay, we'll set that box aside for a minute and get into this one. These I am very excited about because as you can see, I'm wearing a Love Shack fancy dress. This one is from the Target collab, and I wanted like some really special shoes to pair with some of these Love Shack fancy dresses I've had. So, slip the ribbon off on this one as well. Packaging is just so beautiful. All the details. And let's see. Open the box. Ooh. Lids off. We'll set that underneath. Okay, and then just kind of a glance on top. It comes with 2 cards. One's just about, this one's about the authenticity, and this one is about the care of it, since it is a special made, it's like coated in silicone. Anyways, it's a rubber shoe, no spoilers. Let's see. Now let's open the tissue paper. And there are the dust bags with the shoes inside. Are you excited? I am. Okay. Ooh, so cute. Gorgeous, love it. Ooh. Pastel Pink. Oh wow, I love these. And they look really nice with this dress. And of course, Gucci on the top. Love the chunky heel, a little bit of a platform. And I got these, I think, in a size 39. I'm usually like a US women's 8.5, so hopefully these will fit. They are so beautiful. The color is beautiful. Let me look at the other one. Ooh, the second, and the little tissue paper to help it keep its shape. So here is the 2 of them. Very, very cute. They look so nice. I am so excited to wear them. I mean, even though summer's kind of coming to an end, these are sort of a must-have in my book. The color is perfect. I feel like I have so many things that will match them. And of course, they look super comfortable. So yeah, that is what I got. Yes, the little Ophidia GG mini bag. Again, I'm really excited to use it maybe like at a club or a bar or even like a concert or something, because you can just put a few necessities in here, like a lip balm, maybe some cards, some headphones or something, some cash, and you're good to go. Very safe on the front, and I think it would look so great just like with some joggers or something, and like a denim jacket. And then these, of course, are just for some like cute girly outfits. So cute. And I believe these are the Gucci women's rubber shoe. This is the pastel pink color, but I believe it came in some other colors as well. I think black, maybe like a cream or a white, and like a pastel yellow. So there were definitely some more color options for this shoe. So we'll put these aside, and I'm very excited to make some outfits with all of these new goodies. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see other unboxing videos, just give this video a like, subscribe, and I'll try to put some more out there. Thank you so much. Bye.